But I'm pretty sure, like when you see your patients and when you're doing the history, especially, I'm pretty sure you come across, the hereditary or the familial type of cases, right? How often do you see that? And then usually, what's the difference between both of them?
So, surprisingly, we see a lot of patients with, some sort of a family history
Mm-hmm.
of, some kind of a cancer. And the most common sentence or the statement that these patients make, especially those diagnosed with breast cancer, are na ke pur cancer le do. I've never had a cancer in my life, or I've not. My family has never had a cancer
Mm-hmm.
of breast or ovarian. So why did I get it?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, people don't realize that it's only 10% of all the breast cancers because of a genetic mutation. Now, talking about the word mutation, if you're tested and if there is anything wrong with the wrong until some mutation with any particular gene, that is called hereditary. But a family history, a strong family history, and many cancers in the family, but with no mutation, can be a familial breast cancer or familial cancer, and that can possibly be because of shared lifestyle habits or
Right.
any particular thing like that. So again, I guess it's important for people to know that not everyone with a family history will have a cancer,
Right.
and not only those with the family history will have any kind of
Right.
cancer in their family.
And again, doesn't have to be breast cancer either, right? When you're
Yeah,
talking about familial cancer, it can be anything.
absolutely. There's
Any
so
of those
many: breast,
cancers.
ovarian, cervical cancer, peritoneal cancer, pancreatic cancer,
Prostate.
prostate cancer. There's so many things that can be a
Yeah.
part. So it's very important for every patient to, I think, as we all know, to understand the history of their family and then
Hmm.
reach out to a doctor.
Right.